challenging, of course, for me. I'm changing manufacturer, going to the BMW Motorrad World Superbike team, and we came this year with a new bike, and I had to adjust to it, and it took a while to find the right feeling with the bike, and we found out pretty soon that we are struggling in certain areas, especially in the braking zones, and it took some time before we fixed this, and but it's still a young project, and I think the last couple of rounds we have improved. We have improved quite a lot, but there's always more to gain. I think we can be really happy, and you guys can be really proud of all the work that has been done here. And the layout is just fantastic. There's so many different kind of corners and really fast corners, and yeah, I think everyone enjoys this track. Well, I think my favorite part of this track will be around turn 4, 5, 6, 7. Wow, that whole sector, they have a couple of really fast corners, and these are corners I enjoy the most, and it's really exciting. But like I said, every sector on this track is beautiful and has its own unique style.